Meet Maggie.
You're sophisticated, you read, you care about stuff like, you know, endangered birds.
Yeah, that's what you can't be finding a man, girl. You right. Too soft.
I wouldn't say that if I was you.
Maggie has some unusual acquaintances. Her friend Jessie has a freaky side.
Well, I don't like to brag, but sister girl got skills.
Rico needs anger management.
I'll show you how crazy I am.
You know I was trying to hook Maggie up.
Seems like you've been trying to hook yourself up.
Little Junie's got issues.
Help! I'm telling Daddy you hit me.
And Chantel is disturbed.
Is that the way you treat the mother of your baby?
What? You pregnant?
No, but I could be if we worked in it.
And when the lights go out, all hell breaks loose. New Horizon Media Group presents Onika Mapp, Jennifer Alexandre, Uriel Sherry, Mecca aka Grimaud, and introducing Paris McKee in the film that explores the adult manifestations of childhood trauma. Insanity has a new name.
Disturbed.
Grand premiere Saturday, June 19th at 7 p.m. at the brand new North Miami Auditorium.
This is crazy.